everybody. Hello, our audience. Hello, our people, brother, sister, neighbor, family. Everybody will get eye, must wash eye, the red. Because at the show where these comedians, they sit down, they talk matter. Matter will be say serious somehow, but when we begin touch them, you go see say laugh thing, they everything for inside life. Ladies and gentlemen, my name na Lucky Child, the Otita one on top eye the red. And as usual, my very guy, you just sit down, they wait for your turn in color, matching dress code. Ladies and gentlemen, you know him. Hey, we are still shining light on him. MC Shaggy.
Yes, you know. I don't say they'll see life go quick catch me like because sometimes I dey lost for this studio. I don't know what it takes to really see me sometimes for this studio. So Mona they give thanks to God so that they say
Nice.
MC Shaggy. Yeah.
Nestoram now, one of the ID Red favorite. For a long time now, Shaggy Shay, this guy now they give Proverb again. Don't know why. We used to call him the Proverb distributor on top ID Red. So maybe he go resume that thing again because people don't miss that segment from him. Ladies and gentlemen, the multi-talented audio award given to him, MC Shakara.
Yeah. Lucky, to answer your question, I stopped Proverb because they use Proverb, they judge age. You know, get where we go for one project, you know, so everybody do contract now,
Yes.
small contract. And they say the age
Really?
say the age why put.
I never
say,
put
no.
the secret to me.
No, they say the age why put no, say no. Say they know me for with all those Proverbs, say I should be getting to 52 now or 56. I said, no, I'm not. So that's why I stopped. And then to see MC Shaggy very well, all you need is a smile. You need to smile.
Yeah. If you want to really
Yes.
see me,
Okay.
just see me anytime, any day.
He say all you need is your
Attention.
smile.
Yes,
Don't see anytime,
You
any day.
understand? Yeah. And so therefore, that is the reason why my name still remains MC Shakara, comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, a.k.a. the five-star comedy general, a.k.a. the comedy Taliban, a.k.a. every a.k.a. to be continued. Come on, Shagwario. Thank you, moderator.
My name is MC Shaggy. Just like that.
Oh, now don't see your introduction go like this. Because they come back. Oh, now for the red, now you fit see him. Yeah, we now so now they do. Guys, truly, maybe we go dedicate one time to our audience. Make we begin read all their message. Because when sometimes I read, I will say, wow. Somebody even send message, say, how in which say we extend our time. Say the 30 minutes just too short. Say another one come to say, how in which say we even the show am inside the week, like maybe 2 times. We say, I say, don't worry.
Shaka, we really like Una opinion. Now God go bless now, but leave us for that 30 minutes. More just enjoy ourselves. I wear something not too much sometimes.
No, you know too much. As far as the pay is good.
That is the bottom language.
Yes.
As far as the pay is
want to
good.
be seeing us every day. And then the people bringing it to you and we need sponsors as well.
For real.
And when
But
sponsors
you know
are
the show
here,
where they talk this, you
so when
know.
sponsors are here, we'll bring it to you.
Yes.
So you will want to see the show off on TV. Bring in sponsor, or if you are a sponsor, or
Or you are a
sponsor.
sponsor, bring it.
You
You
know,
see
someone
us.
sponsor
So
this
in a
show.
nutshell, if you now want to make this show extend more than 30 minutes, we need sponsors, okay? We sponsor time go spread. And if you want us inside within the week, we still need sponsors. So tell your others, tell every I the red now the show we must make you laugh every evening on top serious matter them. I be no be so guys.
Yes, now.
Correct. Shakara talks something we missed, you won't go back to. Those audience will cherish that your probably sing. You don't tell them now say because you go find one work. They can't say. So I want make we try now. Maybe we'll go spread among ourselves. The 3 of us. Somebody feel they say that they feed that thing. So maybe the 3 of us feel just one person feel they drop one time.
No,
Good idea, Sha, but you know,
You know me say you old. You know me say you know who no go old.
Not be Sabada, not be
even the
everybody.
economy is affected.
The economy have proverb on his own, you know.
You know, long ago, when China sing this song of food, you know, the no die water.
You know, and our road is not good, though. What about the NEPA people? They don't get like.
And now, when China sing that song, situation there was not as bad as now.
So you go sing the remix now.
I don't know whether you understand. Now, if you see queue of way, queue, nobody I take enter queue, I just they go small, they go small. Or the guys waiting by front and they follow them. Small, they pass a quest, small, and they follow them. Before you know, they enter one gate. Now they compass, say, bros, what happened? They say, in a house, they go. I think now line of fear. I don't know, say, now go slow.
Not
They follow
true.
people.
Not true, even because
So everything is.
yeah,
getting
even this
somehow.
morning when I dey come office for that Bonny campsite, you know that filling station wey dey next to Federal Palace Hotel.
The block am.
Yeah.
If you see the queue from that filling station, you don't dey reach Bonny camp.
Mm.
So who don't know? Say na hold up, you go queue for
you
the
go
back.
queue for the back.
You dey wait.
You see am now.
Only for you to know say na our filling station. Truly, but things will go well.
But Shaggy self well for us now because you be like we say black market. You know the person enter here and say one buy black market. Who you go meet?
It's black.
If somebody enter here and say I want buy black market.
It's black. You
God
say
say-
black market.
thank
So
God
Who you go meet?
Ashagi.
Now in those days, now go to say black market with the idea. Now black market, no need to queue. Just get your black market.
Did I say no understand the joke? Which I cannot
No,
toss?
I know where you look.
If I
I know
call
what's
it
black
joke,
market.
He
Don't
just
know yourself. Don't know yourself.
But meanwhile, people when they say black market, they then get a pass now.
Oh, but they get
Police
level
station
tie now.
attendant now. Oga of bank, the conflict. Hello, sir. Have you people sell it? Who is this? Who is this? It's me now, your friend from.
You never reach where you go invest.
All
now.
right,
Big
my
man,
people, as una know very well, I the Red, they always carry two segments, the laugh out loud and the Torido Owo segment. And I know some, I know say na the laugh out loud segment, we don't dey try the touch so, but we know some that they spare that particular video to take sign the laugh out loud. So therefore, laugh out loud things from
I've been a Shaggy. You don't confuse the moderator.
The laugh at last segment, we say, the story went for the last segment now. Now just one video like that when we say yes. Man, they're not going to tell us. When we say, when you did for how many years, just did, then your wife come tell you, say, come guy, this speaking when you born. And I'm born for you. How do you get out more? Say, you get this speaking, no.
Now play, we stop him.
na play stop out.
No, you get this speaking.
So wait to be the reaction of people.
What's the reaction? Watch the video.
Okay.
Up and you don't know that you are the one that born it, but later on you later knows this that you are the one that's not is not your, you are the one that is not, I mean I'm the one that is not my father, but it's hard for me.
Seriously. Now I understand
No,
it.
it reached to confuse.
Yes.
You know, when they give you that kind of news, then you say this pikin, no, do you get them? And you don't dey pay school fees. And if you person be say, you know, sometimes some fathers dey inconvenient themselves.
Yes.
That money, no be say,
He did.
he did that time. You get wetin you want to do very important, but you take and say, it's not school fees. Nah, they just
You need to
so.
educate the
That's you don't sacrifice
Yes.
well.
Then be that part where they ask the guy. So when they say, so when they put himself now inside the show, they answer that question. Say, so for him to even repeat the question, say, he confused. Say, I am the father of
My brother's now. He was just.
because as in there, they answer that question, he might don't travel. Say,
Shaggy, as
this
you
is
dey
their full
now,
life.
as you dey now, more just practical question. Your pikin now, your wife born. Come up, tell you say, honey, this pikin not be your own. You go fit? Wait, you go fit?
just to recover myself first. Take my khaki stroke come out.
You know why now?
Oh,
And now,
eh.
now only baby food and the rest.
Now you don't continue to worry.
But more take am go like 6 years after or
brother.
10 years after when you go don pay some school fees.
Now true talk because reality matters a lot.
Yes,
so-
Because now if I dey imagine,
Eh.
the reaction not too strong. But I pray may not be like
Amo,
that.
that's it. That's just
pray
it.
may not be like that.
I pray may not be like that. Oh,
If not,
Hey, even though
Ah,
they spend,
me.
even though they spend money,
Me.
make it not be.
Me, if I did,
Yes.
my wife come me say, "Pikin, don't my first time."
Yeah.
Come on, na lie, na my pikin.
Eh.
Say no, you know when you person got the proof to you,
Yes. Say go do DNA, say
Say you
your-
been travel, well day that day, that is it happen. I say na lie, say na me get pikin. You know why do something? They tell me then, someone that carry this sick up for you. You know why? Because I can never take it. Like just like Orubebe. I will not take it.
Then There is nothing to it.
There's
I will
nothing
not
to-
take it.
It just be like say make you dey stay for person like Mark Corney, person like Dangote house now as your papa. Then years later, your mama come say true, no be Dangote be your real papa. Say na mistake. You know that kind of thing you as the son dey say.
Why you go give that
Mama
kind
stop
of
play. Mama stop play.
I come back, but more change station, man.
Mama stop
No,
play.
it's
What
something
mama?
serious. You know when they call meeting for that kind of thing. I say na lie. Now me know where I come from. Now me know who born me. Now me.
Now my papa ain't be. No changer for me. All right, but people now so they be on top laugh out loud. In case you two get something to talk on this matter on how woman where you don't date with the born for you. After some while, you can't tell say pikin where you get. You can't realize say not be your pikin. How you go feel, how you go react. If you send any of this matter, enter our social media platform as I the Red for Facebook and Twitter at I the Red. We too we go reply you. We dey reply many of our comments. So keep posting and we go dey reply. So right about now, we want waka go break things. Then when we come back, we enter that second segment where on the like where the Torido War segment. Right about now, me, my guys, and I, we are wakari to the break things.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.